In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for personal productivity. We'll set up a simple board and a clean workflow you can use every day. Start by heading to your Trello boards page. At the top, click Create, then choose Create Board. This opens a setup panel. Pick a background that feels calm and readable. High contrast, low clutter images, or solid colors make cards easier to scan. Next, give your board a clear title like Personal Planner or Weekly Focus, something you'll recognize quickly. Under Visibility, choose who can see this board. For most personal setups, private is best, so only you can access it. When you're ready, click Create to open your new board. Now let's shape the lists. Trello organizes work from left to right, so we'll create a simple flow. Click into the first list name to rename it, and add 3 more lists so you have 4 in total. Inbox, Today, Doing, and Done. Keep the names short, you want to see more card titles at a glance. Inbox is where everything starts. Add cards for every task, idea, or reminder. Don't overthink it. Capture first, organize later. If something pops into your head, toss it in the inbox so nothing slips through the cracks. Next is Today. Each morning, choose 3 to 7 cards from your inbox and drag them into Today. That range keeps you focused without overloading your day. If a task is big, break it into smaller cards so it's actually doable. You can also reorder the cards top to bottom to reflect the sequence you plan to tackle them. Doing is for what you're actively working on right now. Keep this tight, ideally 1 to 2 cards at a time, to reduce context switching. Drag a card from Today into Doing when you start, and move it out when you finish. This visual shift helps you stay present and gives you a quick pulse on progress. Finally, Done is your completion lane. Move finished cards here throughout the day, then archive the list or its cards at the end of the day to keep the board light. Archiving clears clutter without deleting your history. That's it. Use Inbox to capture, Today to choose, Doing to focus, and Done to finish. Open your board each morning, review briefly at midday, and tidy up before you log off. With this simple Trello setup, you'll know exactly what to do now, what's coming next, and where everything lives.